At that point, you turn and face me.
Okay. What must I do? Yeah. What should I do?
Yo, is this thing on? Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt Hughes and today we are checking out the iconic Canopy walk at Kakum National Park. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Picture this, a slice of paradise nestled along Ghana's coastline, Kakum National Park. Its story? A captivating blend of conservation, community spirit, and natural wonder unfolding over nearly a century. Back in 1931, Kakum began its journey as a humble forest reserve managed by the Forest Division. But it wasn't until 1992 that it truly bloomed into a national park, thanks to the passionate efforts of locals and conservationists. The park weathered storms of lodging threats, especially those targeting the mahogany trees. However, a turning point came in 1989 when the reins of management shifted to the Wildlife Department, bringing in a new era for conservation. And speaking of adventure, shout out to my fearless friend who bravely stepped onto Kakum's famous Canopy walkway. We'll get to witness her journey unfold throughout the rest of this video. But let's not forget about the real stars of Kakum, its incredible biodiversity. From endangered species like the Diana monkey to over 266 bird species, this park is a sanctuary for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. And as we immerse ourselves in the park's lush flora, from moist evergreen forests to serene landscapes, we'll discover the true essence of Kakum's natural beauty. Kakum isn't just about wildlife. It's a lifeline for surrounding communities. Its rivers quench thirst, while its forests provide sustenance and support to eco-friendly environments. So as the sun sets over this natural marvel, let's celebrate the spirit of collaboration that keeps Kakum thriving.
I'll take it. With my
No, you
phone.
have to be in the picture. Whose phone? Whose phone?
I'll take it.
Yeah, first one. First one. Okay. Come and sit down by me, baby. Good.
No sign.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I see we got no sign.
So how long have you been here? How were you posted here? How long? First station. Oh, okay. Where were you before? I worked for CK. Happy New Year! That's a very nice. Once you get a Nie takie wysokie, tak?
You okay?
Am I okay now? Oh. Hey, this is a super fast fire.
Peach. What is coming with you? Are you okay?
I need the tent. I'm leaving for this.
Kakum is a rainforest. Kakum is a primary forest. What that means is that it has never been cut down completely before. It has been a home to many globally endangered animals. When you come to Kakum, you can find the forest elephant, the forest bongo, and different kinds of antelopes. There are also different kinds of primates, which include the monkeys and the bush babies. Then, altogether, you can think of hundreds of mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. But depending on the time you visit the park, will tell us whether you may see them or not. generally, animals are categorized into three, depending on the time that they are active. Some are active at night, and we call them nocturnal animals. And then in the morning, from 5 a.m. to maybe 6 a.m.
35 70.
I think they are ahead. But were you scared the other time? Matthew, were you scared the other time?
I don't know. I think I was in the back the whole time. And I think you guys were all up front being silly. And I'm just like, it's not that scary.
George nearly picked his pants the other time. What? He's that high, scared of heights too.
So people are screaming already.
Is you ready?
Our eyeballs.
You guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay, let's go.
Can I get a smile? Welcome.
Was du gefragt hast, wie schön deutsch ist Gehalt, was ist schon Gehalt, was hier so angepasst ist?
Left is the shorter one, and then straight is there.
So when we use this thing, we'll go to the entrance. We'll all meet at the end. We won't. You all gonna join. I hope so. There are no spaces that he can pass through.
The shorter is gray. Yeah, the shorter is gray.
It's slow for trying to book at that.
No. Hey, the man is brave.
Hello,
The charm on your neck. What would you say?
Let's go.
Hello. And now when you get to that point, you turn and face me, so I guess.
Okay.
Then we will come because I'm taking videos of everyone. Are you back?
Okay. Should I turn? Should I turn? Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know.
Are you scared?
Yes.
Then you take the camera and pass it on to the next person. So that everybody
I don't know if I can turn. What must I do? What should I do? No, should I take a view?
No, it's okay. I'm fine. You can put it around your neck if you're scared it's gonna fall. Anything for content.
Where do I press?
It's already recording. You just have to hold it and point it at Bookie. No, you just look at the screen.
Okay, just look at the screen.
Yeah. Come on, Bookie.
Okay, come on, Bookie. Wait, I can't walk with my back.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, Bookie, you must come, and then I'll give it to you, and then you pass it over to the next person. Are you ready to take it?
I thought you were taking it. I'm too close to you.
No, we're taking a video. So Matthew pass it to me, I pass it to you, and then it gets to the last person.
Hey, me, don't pass it to me. I'm already holding two things.
Okay, after you, it comes back to me, and then I give it to Matthew.
When you get up there,
Oh, this is nice.
Now give it to me.
It's very nice. I didn't know it was a video and I spoke in it.
It's a video.
me again.
Yeah.
Here for the
Fun.
times.
Come closer before I turn. Bookie, turn.
Cheese. I'm scared. They'll charge you if you take the photo. Mimi ba ya che drone sa. Esa ni going to. Oh, but it's better because no.
I think I'm going home. I think I'm going along again. I hope I don't drop your.
I love how you paused for like the camera. You're like, oh.
Offline in terms. Oh, so you can do the show now. You can.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Walking this crazy canopy again. Terrified. But we are almost done.
Cool. So next thing we're gonna do together is zip lining.